Saint Vincent, land so beautiful, with joyful hearts we pledge to thee our loyalty and love, and vow to keep you ever free. Whatever future brings, how faith will see us through. May peace reign from shore to shore, and God bless and keep us true. I rule now fair and blessed, and your mountains high so clear.